how to boost volume and improve sound quality on Windows 11. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and I'm back with another tutorial. And in this video, I will show you how you can boost volume and improve sound quality on Windows 11. So without any further delay, let's get started. Now to increase volume in your system settings, you can go to your taskbar. Click on the sound icon at the bottom right corner and click on this sound settings. Once you are here, onto the output device, make sure that the correct speaker or headphone is selected. If you want to adjust your volume, now you can set this master volume to 100. So that's the way to boost up the sound on your Windows 11. And the second option is to update or reinstall your audio drivers. For that, you have to open up your device manager. Press Windows and X key on your keyboard. Head towards Device Manager. On the Device Manager, you have to expand this Sound, Video in-Game Controller. Then you have to right-click on your audio driver. Click on Update Driver. Click on Search automatically for a driver and it will automatically update your driver. And also what you can do is you can uninstall this device driver. Right-click on it, go to Uninstall, restart your PC. After that, Windows will automatically reinstall the uninstalled driver in your device. That will also help you to enhance the sound in your Windows after you reinstall it. So in this way, you can boost up or improve the sound quality on Windows 11. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.